What would you do if I told you that in just 1 month you could make more as a legal nurse consultant than you do sometimes in 3 months at the bedside? Almost sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what happened to me, and it changed my life forever. My name's Randy, and I have helped hundreds of nurses find true freedom in their finances and in their lives through legal nursing. And today I'm going to share the story of the first time that I made $10,000 in a single month as an LNC. This wasn't just a financial milestone for me. It was the moment that I realized that I had truly broken free from the confines of the hospital, of bedside nursing, and that I could finally write my own future. And by the end of this video, you're going to see how you can do this too. So let me take you back to the beginning when I had just started my legal nurse consulting business. I was beating the proverbial bushes as hard as I possibly could. I was exhausted, overwhelmed, and honestly a little bit scared. I was wondering, could I really make this work? But then it happened. I landed a few big cases in a single week, and all of a sudden, I went from having hardly any work to helping multiple attorneys who needed detailed medical records reviewed and chronologies and reports written. I poured everything I had into those cases. My nursing expertise, my attention to detail, my passion for helping attorneys and their clients, and for helping the attorney to really understand the medical side of the case. I remember submitting my final report for one of the largest cases, and the attorney was thrilled. He said it was the best work product that he had ever seen, and when I sent that invoice for that case, I almost jumped for joy. That month, I made over $10K for the very first time. And let me tell you, it wasn't just about the money. It was about the freedom. For the first time in my career, I felt like I was in control of my time, in control of what I made, and I was in control of my future ultimately. And that $10,000 wasn't just a number to me. It was truly a turning point. It was proof to myself that I could change my financial future. And I could create a life that aligned with my values and priorities, not some corporate America hospital. And since then, $10,000 months have become, honestly, kind of a bad month. I remember sitting at my desk that day, though, looking at my calendar and realizing that I didn't have to ask anybody for time off. If I wanted to spend time with my family or do something I loved, I didn't have to beg for the time. I didn't have to beg for holidays or miss important moments because of a hospital schedule. I was free. And the best part, I knew this was just the beginning. The harder and the smarter I worked, the more income I could bring in. And it hit me that legal nurse consulting isn't just a job. It's a career that has unlimited earning potential. But again, it wasn't just about the money. It was about the freedom to write my own future. No more relying on corporate healthcare to dictate where I worked or how much my time was worth. I was finally in control. Now here's the thing, my story isn't really that unique. At Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring, I've helped so many nurses achieve this same kind of success. If you've watched any of the testimonial videos on my channel, you've probably met Alex, who increased her income 14 times in a single year. Or maybe you heard from Amanda, who has over 80 cases under her belt in only 8 months. And these aren't just numbers, they're life-changing moments. And they're happening for nurses just like you, who are ready to take control of their careers and their futures. At Catalyst, I'm not just going to teach you how to be a legal nurse. I'm going to give you the tools, the mentorship, and the confidence to build a thriving business that gives you the freedom and financial security that you deserve. We walk this path with you every step of the way because it's not your membership that drives us, it's your success. If you're ready to start your journey to find financial and personal freedom, I would love to help you get there. You can do that by clicking the link in the description, check out our free training, and maybe book a call with us. And if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.